after a loss occurs, you have responsibilities. What are they? Hey, it's Ryan with Smith & Sons Insurance Agency, where we are transforming the way individuals, families, and business owners secure financial stability. This video is about your responsibilities as an insured after a loss occurs. That's right, there are conditions to the policy, things that you must follow if you want the company to pay out. So, today we're going to talk about homeowners insurance, and I've got a sample policy here in front of me that I'm going to run through, so that's why you'll see me reading. But there are duties after a loss occurs in the policy, a standard policy, that you must follow. If you do not follow them, the company does not have to pay out the claim. The duties after a loss include: 1, you must promptly give notice to the company or your agent. The agent is a representative of the company. They're supposed to notify the company as soon as you notify them. So, number 1, you have to let the company or their representative know that a loss has occurred. Number 2, and this is in the event that the loss is a theft, you have to notify the police. You must notify the police if there has been a theft of your property. 3, if this is regarding a credit card or electronic funds transfer loss, if you've had a credit card stolen or something like that, you must notify the credit card or the device company. And also, of course, number 1 still applies, let the company know. So you must notify that credit card or that card company. That's one of the duties that you must follow. Number 4, you have to protect the property that has been damaged if you can. You must make reasonable and necessary repairs to protect the property and keep an accurate record of the repair expenses. So part of the duty is to protect whatever it was that was damaged. The next step is to keep a list or a record of the expenses that you incurred to protect that property. Number 5, you must cooperate with the insurance company in the investigation of the loss. Simply stated. Number 6, prepare an inventory of damaged personal property showing the quantity, description, actual cash value, and amount of loss. So you include bills, receipts, related documents that justify the figures in the inventory you provide. It's very important. You can't just say that I've lost $100,000 worth of personal property, but then not be able to explain what that $100,000 was. Where did that value come from? So that's an important piece. A lot of times people will do that beforehand. They will walk around the house and take a video of everything that they have. They'll open up drawers in their desks and counters and dressers, and that way you have it all there. You have it documented that you had that at the time of the loss. Just something to keep in mind. Number 7, as often as is reasonably required by the insurance company, you will show them the damaged property. You will provide them with records and documents they request and permit them to make copies of them. And you will submit to examination under oath while not in the presence of another insured. Now, number 8. This is the last one under this section. Duties after a loss. This is the last one. Send to the insurance company within 60 days after their request your signed, sworn proof of loss, which sets forth to the best of your knowledge and belief the time and cause of the loss, the interests of all insureds and all others in the property involved, and all liens in the property. So anyone that owned property that is missing, that was in your care, custody, or control, that was part of the loss, maybe a mortgage company, second mortgage, someone that has given you a loan for a specific piece of property, whatever the case is, any of the entities involved with the property that was lost must be provided to the insurance company. Also, other insurance which may cover the loss, any other policies that may come into play, your company wants to know about that. You have to provide changes in title or occupancy of the property during the term of the policy. So if you decided that you're actually renting out the property, your company is going to want to know that. The last two here, specifications of damaged buildings and detailed repair estimates, very similar to what we've already covered, and the inventory of damaged personal property described in the one above. So same thing, provide all that to the insurance company. So that was a bit long, but those are the duties after a loss occurs on your homeowner's policy that you must follow, or they don't have to pay the claim. That's how it works. That's how the agreement was laid out that you signed and agreed to. So that's a standardized version of a homeowner's policy, which may vary. There may be more. Some of those may be taken out or changed slightly. You want to read your own policy to be sure. If you need help doing that, if you have questions about any of the things I've read through, let me know. Give me a call, 580-353-0668. Be happy to go through that with you. Thanks for watching.